Okay, so here on the board it says that red represents anger. So we take the red dropper and we fill it up with the red solution, and then we drop it in the red paper roll. Get ready for this. It is gonna be a big angry reaction. I guess I gotta go back to the drawing board. Saved by the tablet.
Hey, friends, I'm just working on my new racetrack. Take a look at this truck and this truck. Hey, have you seen my Cars, Train, and Planes adventure yet? You need to go check it out. Yeah. I agree, Bob. I love how fast these trucks can go. Man, I wish this could happen in nature.
I can help with that.
You can? You can?
Mrs. Boots, it's you! That's Mrs. Boots, Mr. Boots' wife. We call her the S.T.E.M Queen.
Oh boy, where are my manners? Are these our new friends? Hi there!
Hey, not to interrupt all the introductions and stuff, but did you mention something about trucks and racetrack in nature?
I sure did. Come on, it's time for a S.T.E.M experiment.
S.T.E.M experiment with Mrs. Boots.
We're gonna make some leaf race cars. First, gather up some leaves from the nature around you. Thank you, Mr. Boots. For this experiment, we're gonna need leaves from nature. We're gonna need a clear bin. We need water, some dish soap, and a stick. Use a stick to apply the dish soap to the tip of a leaf of your choice and gently place the leaf in the water.
Whoa! How did that happen?
Well, the molecules in the soap create a difference in force between the leaves and the water. How fast your car goes depends on the kind of leaf you use. Did you know S.T.E.M is all around, in the air and on the ground, from the stars up in the sky to the deep blue ocean down? Science! Let's test it out. Tech! Like a GPS route. Engineering! And what's the M? Math! That's right, you've got S.T.E.M. You can build that, you can make that, you can fix that, just believe that, get the tools that, blow your mind that, it's the key that can change the world. We can build that, we can make that, we can fix that, just believe that, get the tools that, blow your mind and just believe we can change the world. All the things that we can be. It all starts with what we see. S.T.E.M can open up your mind, from counting to geometry. Science! Experiment! Tech! Nap time represent! Engineering! Oh yeah then! Math! Let's hear it again! We can build that, we can make that, we can fix that, just believe that, get the tools that, blow your mind that, it's the key that can change the world. We can build that, we can make that, we can fix that, just believe that, get the tools that, blow your mind and just believe we can change the world.
Boots is so good with science experiments. Maybe I should just get rid of mine.
Whoa there! Let's not be hasty, Siesta. This project is a great idea.
But it didn't go as planned.
How about you give the project a breather and decide after you get back from Dream World? Because it's time to go to Dream World.
Okay, it's a deal. We're getting ready to go to Dream World. To get to Dream World, all you need is a book. And then we read. Count the sheep as they go by. Prepare to journey to the sky. Oh, here they come. Let's count these sheep. 1,